Okay, hello from Dublin. My name is Jose, and I'm here with
Jorge
and
Adrià.
And we've been working for the weekend on a problem that basically on a daily basis we use very different devices, and they don't all have the same capabilities. So, for instance, to answer a phone call, you generally have to go and grab your phone. But what if we could decouple the idea of having a unique identifier where someone can actually call you, but redirect that communication to some other devices? So, for instance, you might be working on your computer, or you might be watching television, and what if we could redirect that communication to those other devices? So that is actually possible nowadays with technology, and we focused on devices that have Chromium, so we can use WebRTC and notifications, and we're going to show you a high-level diagram of what we've been working on for the weekend. So here you have the diagram. We have two main actors. One is the caller, and the other one is Bob. So the caller obviously wants to call Bob. So as you can see, we've used some of the technology from the sponsors on the session this weekend, and we will talk a little bit more about that. The caller, instead of calling directly Bob's mobile device, is going to call a unique identifier that Tropo provides. And in some cases, we need to redirect the communication in some ways because of firewalls and that kind of stuff. So the guys at StreamStack have been very useful, have been very helpful with their services on stun and turn protocols. We have also written a custom server that can actually do the redirection. So as you can see, the caller comes in, and Tropo can redirect to Bob's mobile phone, or to Bob's computer using Chromium, or to Bob's television that is also somehow powered by a box that has Chromium. And Bob is going to get a notification, and Bob will be able to choose which device he wants to answer the call on. So in terms of technology, we started looking into Forge by Activision because one of their guys was here at the hackathon. But unfortunately, it was impossible to do the kind of things that we wanted to do. They had to do some kind of manual configuration, and we didn't get around to do it. So he actually recommended us to look into Twilio or Tropo. We looked into both of them, and Tropo was finally the winner because we had a few problems with both technologies, but the Tropo guys were on IRC, so they were very helpful, and they activated our accounts so that we could do the redirections and so forth, and also the StreamStack guys that provided the other services, and that is pretty much it about the team. Even though we're in Dublin, the three of us are actually from Spain. We met, Jorge and myself met a couple of months ago at another hackathon. We met Adrià here, and we are all software engineers, no experience whatsoever on communications. So yesterday we didn't know what turn or stun or zip was. So yeah, that's pretty much us for the weekend. Thanks very much.
Interesting.
Okay, very good.